How to see a list of tags in Asana. So to start, we'll have to open our browser and then search for asana.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once you're logged in, we'll have to open another browser and then search for minimalist-work.com. After that, we will be automatically redirected to this website. In here, we'll have to tap on this option, Access the Asana Tools. And then after that, you will be given different options of tools. What we need to do is to tap on this Tags Explorer. And then after that, you will now see this option, List My Asana Tags. And then after that, we'll have to grant permission. To do that, simply tap on this Allow option. And then in here, you can choose any of this one. But as for me, I'm just gonna choose this Not Right Now and then Thanks. And then after that, we'll just have to wait for a little. And then in here, I'm gonna select my workspace. So in here, we are supposed to see a list of tags in our Asana account. But since I don't have any tags on my Asana account, it doesn't show up here. But if you have a lot of tags on your Asana account, then you are supposed to see a list here. So that's how easy we can see a list of tags in Asana. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.